Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Zippo brand butane fuel canister. This is one of the biggest companies that's been making this type of product for a long time. This has enough to fill 20 disposable lighters up, and it's 1.48 ounces or 42 grams. You can use this for flex next candle lighters, outdoor utility lighters. Any lighter will accept this input. This is made in the USA, and it's got a nice little can in here and just instructions. Has a cap that you want to keep, because you want to keep this cap when you're not using it. And when you're ready to use it, just shake it a little bit and you push this down and you keep it vertical and it'll go into your lighter. Now I'm going to be showing you a lighter that I'm going to fill up with this that's totally empty. I'm going to let you know show you how well this works. So let's first show, we're going to be putting some fluid in here. So make sure that the flap is down. And we're going to shake this up and we're going to put this in here just like this. And we're going to spray about 3 seconds, another 3 seconds, and another 3 seconds, and another 3 seconds. That should be all we need to test out the torch now. And this butane could be used on other lighters, like this lighter right here. This lighter already had fluid in there, but it's the same industry standard valve, whereas this one was totally empty. And there's the torch right there, generating heat, so the butane worked just perfectly. So what do I think about the Zippo brand, the butane fuel canister? Very nice product, as I demonstrated. This has been around for a long time, very reliable product, and it's going to work great when you want to refill any of your lighters. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.